Thank you to the Italian customer for choosing EagerLED and purchasing 200 pieces of P3.91 outdoor EA500H5 rental LED screens. This marks further recognition and trust of our products in the international market. EA500H5 LED screen is highly regarded for its excellent picture quality and stability, providing customers with an excellent visual experience. In terms of product details, EA500H5 demonstrates excellent quality and exquisite craftsmanship. The exquisite design of the cabinet handles not only enhances the aesthetic appearance, but also provides users with a convenient carrying experience. Every detail such as fixing grooves, quick locks, magnet adsorption modules, module installation knobs, power signal connectors, etc. has been carefully designed. The design of cabinets not only focuses on appearance, but also focuses on user experience. Every detail of EA500H5 LED screen has been carefully considered, resulting in a reliable and efficient product. The design of the cabinet handle takes the user's handling needs into consideration, and various detailed designs provide a convenient way for product maintenance. EagerLED has always been committed to providing high-quality LED screen products, and we are deeply honored to be the choice of Italian customers. We will continue to work hard to innovate and improve product performance to ensure that customers can always get an excellent visual experience.